Hey, welcome back to Double D's Garage. What we're gonna try to do today here is change out this front valance. Now, the new one is nice and pretty, carbon fiber, shiny coming through. The old one's been on the car for a while. It's just oxidized, doesn't shine up as much. I was gonna have it refinished, but it turns out it was just as simple to just acquire another piece and then replace it. So that's what I'm about to do. All right, we're ready to go for disassembly. It doesn't seem too difficult. It's about 14 screws that hold this on. We'll get that dropped down, compare them for discoloration, and then put the new one back on. Now that I got both of them off, you can actually see the oxidation and whatever else was there to preserve the shine of the original one. It's just not as clear, and you can't see the carbon fiber coming through. Now we're going to put the new one on and see how it looks. All right, task complete. Got a nice new shine on this carbon fiber front valance piece that comes out. After jacking up the vehicle, the task wasn't very hard. It consisted of 3 screws on each side plus some double-sided tape in the middle, but makes all the difference. This was the old one. Oxidized, just needs to be refinished. All right, well, thanks for hanging out at Double D's Garage, doing little tasks each week, getting ready for the car shows coming up soon. Hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with us. Thanks for hanging out with Double D's Garage.